ICB763N circuit breaker, featuring a compact design for enhanced integration, provides more room for wiring operations with larger spacing for improved safety. Standard braking capacity up to 6 kA, current rating up to 63 amps. Offers B, C and D tripping characteristics, ergonomic non-slip handle design for comfortable operation and effortless switching on. Full range visual windows. Provides clear indications for peace of mind during maintenance and inspection, ensuring more thorough arc extinction and enhanced braking capacity. Aim for zero arcing. Rapid contact closure design. PA6 material, which is characterized by its flame retardancy, high temperature resistance and strong impact resistance. The device is compatible with a variety of accessories, making it easier to expand functionality. The device boasts exceptional environmental adaptability, ensuring reliable operation in extreme conditions. Widely applied in residential buildings, schools, hospitals, and laboratories.